Ooh, fucking cold.
Oh, it's a Thresher.
Right now, you just hear a bunch of splashing.
Right. That fool burnt out already.
It's probably a small one. It's that cast though. Fuck yeah, bro. That's fucking 100 yards.
That's why it costs something on that cast.
Still there?
Have fun with it, dude.
Yeah. If it's not pulling drag anymore, for sure, it's just like a 20-pound reel. You had that big one earlier though.
Yeah, that was a big
Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, another one. 10th one of the day.
You guys need a gas?
Huh? We have like 30 of them.
Okay.
This is already like, we're bored. Too many stingrays.
This one's tiny, you can feel it.
Yeah, it's small.
Tiny. Is it small or is
Small, it's small. It's coming in way too easy.
yeah.
Fucking big ass leopard. That should be a big ass
I
leopard.
know, Alright.
Alright, we're gonna have to come over here. Come over here. Excuse me. Oh.
Yank my shit out, man.
Yeah. There goes $120 reel. Yeah, right here, just straight ahead.